How to unblock yourself from Instagram Live or Stories. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I'll show you how to unblock yourself from someone's Instagram Live or Stories, or at least check if you've been hidden. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and search for the person's username. So let me go ahead and open Instagram. And then you need to go ahead and search for the username of the person. I'll go to the search icon at the bottom. Tap on the search bar at the top and basically search for their username. Once you search for it, go ahead and tap on it. And then if there are any stories available, you can just go ahead and tap on the story or their profile here to view it. Now, if you can't see their profile, if you can see their profile but not their stories or live videos, then they've probably hidden you or not fully blocked you, but just hidden their stories and lives from you. To unblock yourself from someone else's story, there are actually two options. You can try viewing their profile from another account, like your friend's account or your second account. And if their story or live appears there, then yes, you have been restricted from seeing it on your main account. So you can either try to create and switch to a new account to view their story, or you can just ask them directly to unhide you. And in some cases, Instagram might be glitching, so you can try to clear its cache. Long press on Instagram, tap on the I button, and then you can just go ahead and scroll down, go to storage, tap on it, tap on clear cache. Once you've done that, go back, try to force stop the app, tap on OK, and once you have done that, try to restart your device and see if that works. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.